Text, equal housing opportunity. 550 Northridge. An aerial view of the 550 Northridge apartment complex in Sandy Springs, Georgia. People play a game of pool in the clubhouse. A person plays a game of shuffleboard in the clubhouse. A person exercises in the gym, which features strength training equipment, as well as treadmills and ellipticals. A patio section features an inground pool, as well as lounge chairs and grilling stations underneath a pergola. Apartments include kitchens with stainless steel appliances and stone-inspired countertops, bathrooms that lead into walk-in closet areas, master bedrooms, and spacious living rooms. A sign reads, "Be sure with pure taqueria." People eat and drink at the taqueria. People have drinks at the Gate City Brewing Company. A shop sign reads, "Spirited, art, fashion, lifestyle, and people shop for clothes and jewelry." People have drinks at Lola's Burger and Tequila Bar. Text, 550 Northridge.